A debt management plan is a structured repayment plan designed to help you pay off your debts in an organized and manageable way. Typically, it involves working with a credit counseling agency, which negotiates with your creditors to reduce profit rates, waive fees, and establish a repayment plan that fits your budget. Hey there, welcome to the Daytime Dollar, where we talk about financial strategies and how small changes can make big improvements. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that affects millions of people around the world: debt management plans. Press the subscribe button if you're new here, and let's get into it. If you're struggling with debt and looking for ways to take control of your financial situation, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be covering everything you need to know about debt management plans. Here is the complete debt management plan. Assess your debts. Create a comprehensive list of all your debts, including the total amount owed, profit rates, minimum monthly payments, and due dates. This helps you understand the scope of your debt situation and sets the foundation for your debt management plan. Budgeting. Create a detailed budget to determine how much you can realistically afford to pay towards your debts each month. This includes reviewing your income, expenses, and discretionary spending to identify areas where you can cut back and free up more funds for debt repayment. Credit counseling. Research and select a reputable credit counseling agency to assist you with your debt management plan. They can provide expert guidance and assistance in negotiating with creditors and creating a repayment plan that fits your budget. Negotiate with creditors. Work with your credit counseling agency to negotiate with your creditors to reduce profit rates, waive fees, and establish a repayment plan that is affordable for you. This can help lower your monthly payments and make your debts more manageable. Single monthly payments. Making a single monthly payment to your credit counseling agency, who will distribute the funds to your creditors according to the agreed upon plan. This simplifies your payments and helps you stay organized. Stick to the plan. Follow the repayment plan diligently and make all your payments on time. Avoid incurring new debts or missing payments, as this can derail your debt management plan. Financial education. Take advantage of the financial education resources provided by your credit counseling agency to improve your money management skills, budgeting, and overall financial literacy. This can help you develop healthy financial habits for the long term. Regular progress reviews. Review your debt management plan periodically with your credit counseling agency to track your progress and make adjustments if needed. Celebrate milestones and stay motivated to stay on track with your debt repayment journey. Debt snowball or debt avalanche method. Choose a debt repayment strategy that works best for you. Whether it's the debt snowball method, paying off small debts first, or the debt avalanche method, paying off high profit debts first. This helps you prioritize your debts and pay them off strategically. End of debt management plan. Once you have paid all of your debts through the debt management plan, celebrate your accomplishment and continue to practice responsible financial habits to avoid falling into debt again. This includes budgeting, saving, and using credit wisely. Remember, a debt management plan is not just one option for managing your debts, and it's important to choose the approach that works best for your individual financial situation. Consult with a credit counseling agency or a financial advisor for personalized advice and guidance on managing your debts effectively. That was all about today's topic. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye.